Well, here we are on the next great mission, having us a little convoy. We got the 79 Ford home-built wrecker in tow on the trailer behind me, taking her out on our first recovery mission. We got the folks from Ratty Muscle of Alaska down here for some shenanigans. So we'll get to where we're going and see how it goes. I think you guys are going to enjoy this one.
Folks, what we have here is a very rare 1967 Ford Mustang. I know she doesn't look like much, but she'll come right around.
I think we can pop them dents out.
This is restoration potential right here. Guys scour the Southwest looking for gems just like this. Look at that gauge cluster.
Oh yeah, that's OEM.
What a peach. OEM brake master cylinder. The hood's right here, safely stowed inside the car. It still has one hood hinge.
She's just cherry.
Oh, she's ready to live.
That steering wheel, that's ready to use.
Oh yeah, steering column's right mint.
Aerodynamic. It's a
ergonomic
sporty
race driving.
Yep.
Inner fenders are rusted out. The grill's still here.
Would you believe it if we're not after this car today?
Nope. We're after the even flatter one.
Yeah. What kind of guy would want that thing?
That one?
That one over there. Putting the little half-ton right to work. We got some chainsawing to do.
Is your wing window? I think so. Is this an OEM piece of 1968 Charger?
It might be.
We'll safely stow them over there.
What do we got here?
68 Dodge Charger. So if you can tell.
All the things you need.
Yeah. This corner kind of looks like it's still.
Only in Alaska can you find a 68 Dodge Charger that's been, you know, flattened by a piece of equipment.
Yeah.
Left in the woods.
All the pieces that you need are here. The fender tag and the VIN tag.
Yeah. See, back here you can kind of tell it's a Charger.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
If the taillights were still there. Huh? Keep going. Going? Yeah.
What do we got going on here?
Some professional grade body work right here.
Oh yeah?
The kind where you need to keep your body clear of falling things.
Very nice.
Just gonna do that with my foot. Oh yeah, there we go. I wish that was long.
1941 Chevrolet G506 on the scene. Well, there you go. There was quite an adventure for you guys. Probably one of the most craziest recovery stories for a vehicle, I would say, especially for being on YouTube. But hey, it was a fun time. Spent a long weekend with some great people, as always. Had a lot of fun. And be sure to check out the rest of the gang. I'll put their YouTube channels down below in the description, so you can go follow their projects and whatnot and see what they're up to, including, you know, this kind of stuff. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this episode. And, yeah, I guess till the next one, I will see you guys later.